Hello and welcome back to the channel. Hope you all are doing well. So today once again I am coming with a latest job openings from Poland. This is the urgent job vacancies and free recruitments. So many of guys have a dream to move European country with a job. So this is a good chance to move European country with a job. This is a free recruitment. You just need to know what is the job openings and what is the educational qualifications and experience requirements to apply for this job. Everything details. So guys, let's know what is the job openings and how to apply and what is the qualifications and experience requirements to apply for this job. Then you can apply by the official email ID which already has been given, and after you apply, the rest process will be start. So let's know what is the job openings. This is a multiple vacancies in Poland and recruitment for reputed company in Poland. So let's focus what is the job categories. Number one, TIG welder. Number two, MIG welder. Number three, CNC operator. Number four, furniture fitter. Number five, fortune carpenter. Number six, sofa maker. So guys, this is the job openings from Poland, and basically for technicians like furniture carpenter, furniture fitter, CNC operator, MIG welder, TIG welder, sofa maker. So there have six type of job openings from Poland. If you have relevant experience in Gulf country or any of Asian country or in your home country, then you can apply as much as possible, because the candidates having experience always preferable by the client or the company. So fresher also can be applied, no issues, but the first priority will be for the experience holder. This is the reality. So guys, this is a urgent job vacancies from Poland, and there are six type of job openings, and you should have the relevant experience and you should have the proper qualifications to apply for this job. And if you have any confusion, then you can ask me in the comment box, or no need to be confused. You have to forward your CV to the given official email ID. This official email ID you can get from the descriptions below this video. So you have to make your CV be professionals. You have to mention your educational qualifications, your experience in the different field and in different company, so that your experience will be highlighted in front of the company HR. So they can shortlisted your CV, then you can get a chance to attend the interview. So this is the fact through which you can get reply and to attend the interview. So many times I have seen many guys have are saying we are not getting reply after applying. So don't be negative. The company always hiring experience holder and also as well as freshers, but the thing is, it's depending upon the company executive or HR for which candidates they have to shortlist it. So you have to try again and again. You have to keep patience, and you have to struggle to apply for the abroad job again and again. One day you will get success. One day you will get reply to attend the interview. So be positive and don't be lose your hope. So guys, this is a urgent job vacancies from Poland, and this is the job positions like TIG welder, MIG welder. So any of these jobs having requirement for experience. So if you want to apply for any of this job, you should have the experience in the relevant field. Then you have to forward your CV in the given official email ID. If you want to talk, then you can call in the Poland office number, which has been already mentioned right here. So after you apply, once your CV will be shortlisted, you can attend the interview. Once you getting success from the interview, of course, all rest process will be start by the company. So first of all, you need to know what is the job positions, what is the qualifications and experience requirements, and how to apply. After this, the rest process will be start by the company. So guys, please try to crack the interview. This is a client interview, so be prepared for that. So you should have the English communication skills, because the foreign client, the foreign employer always taking interview in English. So you should have the proper knowledge and proper skills with English. So I hope all the information I shared with you. Still, if you have any questions, you can drop your questions in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. So I can suggest you please apply as soon as possible if you have the relevant experience, and if you want to move European country with a job. And I can suggest you also please share this information as much as possible to your friends and relatives, so that they can get informed and they can able to apply. And after they apply, they can attend the interview, and I wish all the best. They can attend the interview and they can also crack the interview and they can move Europe with a job. So guys, lots of thanks and lots of thanks for the support, for your valuable time, everything. So in the next video, of course, I will be continue inform you about abroad job openings from other countries. Up to that, stay with this channel. Check each and every channel to apply abroad job and apply as much as possible. If you have any confusion, you can ask your question in the comment box. I will try to give the answer. So again, lots of thanks for everything. Of course, we will meet in the next video. Up to that, stay with this channel. Best of luck.